Josiah's eaten about half of this banana already. Seems to want more. Are you done? No? And every bite seems like it's the first bite. Oh, snap. Okay, honey, I'm going.
I think he's excited.
He already had some carrots. Some pureed
How's that
carrots.
nana, Bubba?
I think the banana was his favorite.
Is that yummy?
No, sounds like a little zombie.
It sounds like Forrest Gump's principal.
I think I need to stop. I don't think I can give him the whole thing. I feel like I need to stop. I feel like he could go on if I... Oh my gosh. Okay, honey. You okay? Let's get mommy. Josiah, that's half of the banana already, honey. I'm nervous. I'm scared of giving you the whole one. Okay, last one, okay? Last bite, Josiah. Josiah? Oh, there's a little piece on the table.
You found that little piece of nana?
La última, okay? Have a little bit on the spoon, Josiah.
And that's how you know he's getting full, is he's distracted by something else.
Yeah. Okay, you don't want any more? Mira? Mira?
It's like, I want it, but I'm full.
Last bite. Good job, Josiah. That's half of a banana.
Good job, Bubba.
Yay, Josiah. Muy bien, amor. I think he wants more. Yeah, okay. Yeah, bravo, Josiah. Bravo, mi niño.
You did such a good job eating on that banana.
Bravo, Josiah.
And you already had some carrots.
Yeah, you did.
All right, buddy.
Sorry.